Welcome back, guys. In this video, we are going to be checking out the best robot vacuum in market for this year.
We've researched each product based on customer reviews, prices, and product features. If you want to know which product will be the best for you, stay tuned. Please don't forget to like and share this video. You can also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notifications when we post a new video in the future.
At number 1. eufy Boost IQ Robovac. This vacuum cleaner has a remote control and similar user-friendly features that make it extremely easy to operate. Another incredible feature of this cleaner is that it cleans with little or no background noise, meaning that your family does not have to endure mind-disturbing noises because you wish to vacuum clean the home. The cleaner also has some color indicators that help you know what mode the machine is in. The machine also easily adjusts to transitions from a lowly to a highly floored room. The cleaner has the intuitive ability to increase suction power within 1.5 seconds when required for better cleaning. At number 2. iRobot Robo Cleaner. This cleaner has a sleek, unignorable design compatible with Alexa and consequentially possesses all the extra features brought to the fore by Alexa. This equipment can very well clean carpet and ordinary hard floors, and once it gets adapted to your home's unique design, it cleans effortlessly. The equipment has the release, suction, and lift systems that, together with the complete suite of advanced sensors, to provide thorough 3-stage cleaning. The vacuum cleaner can navigate the edges around the edges and not crash down the stairs using the cliff detect setting. Another special feature of this equipment is that it can learn your cleaning habits and routine by listening to your voice. At number 3. Roborock E4 Robot. This machine cleans your home effectively by applying its logical navigation. Through the help of eye movement tracking and double gyroscope calculations, the device makes sure your floors are thoroughly cleaned. The 2000 PA suction power automatically extracts every appearance of dirt from the floors, and its carpet reinforcement setting ensures each floor covering is given maximal cleaning power. The equipment also has a durable battery and a 100% power boost that supplies more than enough power to clean up the 2152 meter square floor. The equipment also has a 640 milliliter wastebasket that is capable of holding a lot of dirt. This means that you do not have to pause intermittently as you clean. The Alexa app also uses your voice command to aid a less stressful cleaning process.